All right, back with the 65 parts car, Thunderbird parts car. I decided to wait till spring to take it apart, so I'm going to give her one last run to the backyard. I've cleared a spot back there with the old, took my diesel out of the way. So here we go. I'm going to open the doors up. The car has been running, so it's not going to be a cold start, because I didn't want any hiccups on this project, because she's got a really sketchy rear spring setup because the frame is gone. Hopefully it holds together. So here we go. I'll put you on pause. And we're in the car, and I was just reaching for my seatbelt, but it doesn't have one. So anyway, here we go. Let's see how it goes. I'll get her fired up. She started. I'll pull the parking lights on. Here we go. Let's see how this works out. I haven't tested this car on the road at all. Brakes do work, sort of, just the front brakes. Now getting out of my driveway can be a bit challenging because everybody thinks they're the king. Anyway, it looks like there's no one coming. Alright, here we go. There's the old Ranchero that's going in the garage next for repairs. Alright, there we go, she stopped. Last drive for the old Thunderbird so far that I know. Now this is going to be tricky. Gotta go up a little hill, turn a corner, and then turn her sharp. And let's see how she goes in here. Woohoo! Made her! Whoa, get her in park. She's sliding on the front. Well, that's her. Hopefully that was thrilling for you as it was for me. I had great fun with that. I'm going to flip you over, so hang on. There you go. Alright, I get out of this rig. Every car I have, the inside door doesn't work. So there she is, in her spot. Tail lights on. I had the parking lights and tail lights on. So now I'll bring the old 1-ton in. Wow, a snowmobile going by, awful noisy. There's the 1-ton out there idling. Got her geared up. So this will be the resting spot for the Thunderbird for the rest of the winter. And that's her. Actually, I'll do a little rev up. So everybody likes a rev up on these old cars. So just put you down and we'll do it. Hang on. We'll get a throttle sound out of her. The old 65. Might be her last voice. Alright, that's her. Enough of this foolishness. Alright, hope you enjoyed it.